Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix no audio device installed, no output devices found on Windows 11. So if you click on the audio icon on your taskbar, it will state that no audio device installed, no output devices found. Then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So first is click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System. Scroll down and you'll find Troubleshoot. Then click on Other Troubleshooters. Now here you'll find audio with the run button corresponding to it. So let me just tell you that try running the audio troubleshooter first, as this will help you detect and spot the issue that you are facing in terms of audio. So once you are in the audio troubleshooter, it will give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. It will give you the exact recommendations to fix the issue that you are facing. Now, if in case that it give you the solution, then the problem has been fixed, well good. But if didn't give you the suggestions on how you can fix it, then let's go to the next method. In the Windows search bar right here, type Device Manager. Click on it under the Best Match. Now the Device Manager window will be up. So here, we need to look for the sound, video, and game controllers. Then we need to look for the audio driver, which is the Realtek Audio. Now, you might have different audio driver right here, but you will know that that is the audio driver because it has the audio name which is from a manufacturer, which is the Realtek. So you could have different manufacturer. Now, just make a right click and make sure this is not disabled. So in your case, this might be our this has been disabled due to or accidentally disabled because of some functions on your system or some fixes on your system that it has been accidentally disabled. Then just make a right click on your audio driver and then select enable device. So the main cause for the issue is that probably or the audio driver has been disabled. That's why it will state that no audio devices installed, no output devices found on your Windows 11. So once you are in the device manager window and you found the audio driver, which is the output, just simply make a right click and then select enable. Then you can also check that from here. Click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane, click on system. Then you have to click on the sound and you have here the output. Make sure to choose the right output from here. So we have here the speaker, which is the Realtek Audio, as what we have enabled earlier. Then once you have enabled the audio driver, which is the Realtek Audio, just also go back to device manager, click on it. Then here we need to look for the sound, video, and game controllers. Make a right click, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close the remaining windows and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.